How to add multiple photos on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can add multiple photos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add multiple photos on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open the TikTok application here. And now let's say you want to post maybe a slideshow, maybe you want to select many photos and then upload it. It's very simple. Just tap the plus icon from the bottom here and then just tap the upload button that you see. So just tap on upload, and then you want to navigate to photos and then select a list of photos that you want to add, in this case over here. So I'll just select randomly, and then let me select 4 photos, and then I'll just tap on next button. This way all the photos are going to be added, and this is how I can add multiple photos. The other way I can do this is by simply selecting a proper template. So let me just come back here and then let me just go to the templates tab. Here just select a template that you want, so what kind of template and what kind of photos that you want. So let's say I like this template, then I'll just choose this template, then I'll just select the photos that I want to add to this template here. Once I select the photos that I want to add to that template, I'll just tap on the OK button, and this is going to create a slideshow of the images that I've put in. And this is simply how I can add multiple photos on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.